William steps into the quiet feather field and suddenly stops. In the tall grass, Bubbles paces nervously around a glowing egg. Chewy sniffs the shell, his tail twitching with curiosity. Bubbles flaps her wings,
clucking sharply at the strange light. William whispers, "Where did this come from? The mystery has only just begun."
Nearby, the wondergate creaks, pulsing with gold and pink light.
A new sparkling egg symbol appears on its surface as glow sprites drift out like stardust. "It is an egg adventure," William shouts. Chewy barks in excitement as Bubbles pecks the symbol. The gate swings open,
shrinking the trio as they step into a magical hollow filled with floating feathers. 3 eggs sit on pedestals, blue, yellow, and pink. William says, "Let us find out what is inside." A stone tablet rises, displaying icons of a feather, an egg, and a heart. The glow sprites jingle, match the egg to what is inside. William releases a wind spirit from the blue egg.
Chewy nudges the yellow egg, freeing a sun spark. Bubbles pecks the pink egg, and a giggle sprite bursts out. Together, they place each spark in its home. The tablet glows gold as the original egg joins them. William smiles. Eggs hold surprises. We learn by exploring gently. The hollow fades, returning them to the yard. The original egg splits open, and a tiny feather sprite floats out. Giggling! "We found all the surprises!" William laughs as Chewy boops the sprite.
As the gate shimmers shut, William's backpack glows with a new leaf symbol. The whisper willows are calling next.